Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights. Once you're signed in, save work and close apps. Open Disk Management right away with Win+X and choose Disk Management. Look for the small recovery partition, check size and label so you don't confuse it with system or OEM volumes. Make sure the partition is visible and not already hidden. This first step prevents accidental data loss, and it sets up the exact target for the hide operation that follows. You'll run diskpart from an elevated command prompt. Type diskpart and press enter, then list volume to find the recovery volume number. Select the correct volume with select volume X. Be precise. Use remove letter equals R or remove letter equals the current letter to clear its mount point. Once done, exit diskpart and return to Disk Management to verify the letter is gone. This hides the recovery partition from File Explorer without deleting data, which preserves system restore functionality. Reboot the PC and check File Explorer. The recovery drive should no longer appear. If it still shows up, reopen diskpart and inspect the volume for additional mount points or assign drive letters. Some systems have junctions that must be removed. If anything goes wrong, restore the drive letter temporarily to regain access, then repeat the remove letter step more carefully. Finally, run chkdsk if you suspect corruption. This ensures
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.